Welcome to Lesson 2. When you create a PowerPoint presentation, it is made up of a series of slides. These contain the information you want to communicate to your audience. These slides could contain text, a table, a graph, or even a graphic or a picture. But before you begin adding information to your slides, let's learn some of the basics of working with slides. Having a look at this slide over here, you will see that there are square boxes with dotted lines around them. These are referred to as placeholders. Now, the way these placeholders are arranged on your screen will depend on the type of layout that you've chosen. You can choose the layout of your slide before you begin or even at a later stage. So let's have a look at this example over here. This slide type or slide layout is called a title and a content slide layout, but I may decide at a later stage that this slide will look better with a graphic. So let's change the slide layout to enable us to put a graphic in. We need to go to the Home ribbon, to our Layout button. If I click on the arrow next to Layout, you will see an outline of all the available layouts PowerPoint provides. So for this particular one, I'm going to choose a to-content layout. As you can see, it just rearranges the placeholders. So now on my left-hand side, I have my bullet list, and on the right, it will enable me to now put a picture in. Very quick and easy. What I'm going to show you now is how you delete a placeholder you no longer require. Let's have a look at this example. As you can see, we have a placeholder for a title at the top of the slide, which I no longer require. So how do I delete it? Place your mouse or hover your mouse over the dotted line, and you'll see the mouse pointer changes to a four-headed arrow. Click. This will now select the title placeholder. As you can see, there are squares around it showing it's currently selected. All I need to do is push the delete button on my keyboard, and it's gone. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you move a slide or reorder slides. So for example, let's say this particular one, I may want to move under this one. Select the slide you want to move, and you click and hold your mouse, and as you see, I'm moving, a horizontal line moves with me. Move to where you wish to place it and release your mouse button, and it will move that particular slide. Let's try that again. Click on the slide you want to move and drag. Can you see the horizontal line moving with me? The next thing I want to show you is how you copy a slide. For example, you might have a couple of slides that look similar. So instead of recreating the slide from scratch, let's just make a copy of it and then edit the actual slide. Click on the slide you wish to copy. Click on the Copy button on your Home ribbon. Click where you wish to place that slide and paste. And there we have a copy of the agenda slide. And you can click again anywhere you like, paste again, etc. Let's say I'd like to add a few more slides to complete my presentation. I'm going to select the slide over here. Now, I'm not changing an existing layout. I'm adding a new slide. So let's move to the new slide icon on your Home ribbon. You can see the slide is split into two halves. There's the top half with the icon and a bottom half with the drop-down arrow. If I select the top half, it will insert a new slide and take on the layout of the previous slide. Click again. It will insert another title and content slide. But let's say I don't want a title and content slide. Then you would need to click on the arrow at the bottom of the icon. And this will enable you to select any slide that you want. For example, let's say I would like a to-content slide. My next slide, I would like a section header slide. And that's how you insert a new slide. Creating a presentation is easy once you understand how to work with placeholders, layout, and PowerPoint slides. Thank you for watching.